This is Douglas, and Douglas is a fox terrier, and he's blind.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave, how can I love when
If we can find him a foster home, that'd be brilliant. He's a lovely fella, he really is. Estamos buscando una casa de acogida para Douglas. Douglas está ciego y está sufriendo un poco en la protectora.
suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000.
7:15 in the morning. Let's go and get Douglas. So, gonna walk Douglas. Gonna give him a bit of a walk. Good morning, fella. Good morning. You're going to the Netherlands. Yes, you are. So we're just walking Douglas. He's already been out with Victor for 5 minutes. But we just give him another, oh careful, yeah, we'll just give him another walk round because he's got a long flight, well, a couple of hours, haven't you, mate? We all love you, yes we do. Douglas is blind and he can't see very much. We don't think he can see practically anything. He's such a good boy, aren't you? You're a champion. He goes into the travel box. It'll be a bit confusing for him for a while, but he's okay. There you go, you're okay. There we are. Douglas is about to drive to the airport. So it's bye-bye to Douglas, who's off to the Netherlands, thanks to our Marina.
No problem.
Which is lovely.
I already said if
Flight
I
companion.
like it,
Now you know.
okay.
Now you know. Yeah.
We'll do it again if I can. Hi, Douglas.
So Douglas has now gone through and has been checked in for his flight. He'll now wait about an hour before loading, and then he's got about a 2-hour flight, and he'll end up in the Netherlands.
One step closer. I've died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years.